Guys, Tyler here. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. Sorry for the lack of updates lately. I haven't wanted to bombard you guys with useless updates or pointless updates. So we're gonna get that out of the way here. I'm gonna drop in some sweet footage, hopefully, so you can see some of the content that I've been working on. But let's tackle the boring stuff right out of the gate. I was introduced to Miro, and that was really awesome. That's helped me get a lot of my game design documentation in a good state or in a better state than it was, and I'm constantly working on that to help me get a better grasp of the project and turn it into something that can actually be made. And so it's helping me refine a lot of the ideas that I had and really get a better handle of what Queen's Vector is and how I can make some really good design decisions, hopefully. But in that regard, just a high level of what it is, Queen's Vector is going to be a raid-like shooter that tells the story of Kes Starda, who is a military pilot who's deserted her post, and she's taken her crew with her. She's tired of being at war. She's tired of fighting someone else's war, and she is ready to stake a claim in the galaxy to try to stake a claim for freedom in the galaxy and allow people to have a safe haven and to stop this useless war, the warring cycle that she's kind of found herself in, or that's her life, right? So that's the high level of it. And I'm also I'm also been researching some for multiplayer. I'm looking into co-op and I'm looking into 6v6 competitive multiplayer, as well as a raid mode, or not raid mode, excuse me, horde mode, as well as a horde mode. And in terms of like the raid, like what do I mean by that? So if you look at games like World of Warcraft, Diablo, Destiny 2, they all have like end game experiences, which are very challenging end game experiences that have environmental puzzles, that have jumping puzzles, they have secrets, they have loot. And so I want to capture kind of that experience in Queen's Vector. So we're going to have two bosses that you guys are going to have to battle through. There's going to be loot, which is going to be awesome. There's going to be secrets to discover. And so that's going to be super epic. I mean, since I'm a solo developer, we're not going to have a ton of loot. We're going to have 13 weapons, and that's going to be the loot. 6 of them are going to be secret and tied to the boss encounters. And the weapons are going to have synergy, and so the weapons will buff each other and things like that. So it'll be super cool. And again, I want to share more of that with you guys when the design docs are in a better spot. So once that's done and buttoned down, I'll be sharing that with you guys. In terms of like what I've been working on recently, I've been trying to update the rock tool and get that into a better place. And so it's really been focusing on the geometry and some of the smaller forms and shapes that that the rock tool generates. And a high level of the rock tool, we want to take geometry that we make from Unreal or Houdini and our level blockouts and things like that, and run them through the rock tool to produce a game res asset that we can place in our environment. And so I've been working on that. I've also been working on my player character in Maya, working on the rigs, working on the animation poses, so I can fix the current issue that I have with the hand right now. So in the next build, hopefully the hand placement should be fixed in the next build. Also, I've done a slew of optimization changes so that we're running a little bit better now, and hopefully we can hit a wider range of hardware. But definitely more optimization needs to happen. But we're still pretty early in development, so again, we're still figuring some of that out and still trying to nail some things down. I think our min spec machine, I think we're going to be shooting for a GTX 980 is kind of our minimum GPU. So a lot of work will need to be done to get it to run on that, but that's going to be the goal. So I think that's been pretty much it. I just wanted to drop in and give you guys a quick update. There's going to be a lot more content coming, a lot more updates coming as I flesh out the documentation. I'll be sharing that with you guys so you guys can get a better understanding of where we're going with Queen's Vector. Super excited to share it with you guys. So if you guys have any questions, please drop in the comments, like, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you online. You guys take care. Have a good one.